Good morning, good afternoon or good evening, wherever in the world you might be watching. TEXTJOIN was released in Excel 2016 to update concatenate, which had been available since Excel 2000. TEXTJOIN is powerful, easy to use, and gives great results whether concatenation or joining of text is required in Excel cells. The screen shows the background of TEXTJOIN together with examples of its use with some simple text. Notice that as the function can display delimiters as an argument, for example, the addition of spaces, commas, dashes, and other symbols, it makes the presentation easily constructed and more than readable. It is much more efficient to use than either concat or concatenate, which do not allow delimiters to be easily handled. Further, it also allows for empty cells to be ignored with a true as the second argument. The use of false as the second argument adds a space in the result for any empty cells in the text selection. Remember, you can pause the video at any time by pressing the space bar to study any parts that you may need to. For example, at the top of the screen, the rules and general construction of TEXTJOIN'S. Notice the construction of the first argument, where you can include no spaces, a single space, a comma or dash, and also how the false argument creates extra spaces because of empty cells. This next screen is really most important. It advises that TEXTJOIN loses any date formatting and shows dates as serial numbers. This could be corrected by the addition of the text function as shown. You'll find this action much easier if the initial entry of dates are typed in separate cells. So just going over what's happened here, there were two dates entered in these cells, G5 and H5. When we applied the TEXTJOIN formula, we saw that the result came up as serial numbers. To correct that, we had to insert a text function as part of the formula, where we said in the third argument, show text G5 as the month and day, and the text in H5 again as the month and day, using double quotes to have the formula work correctly. And there we see that it does show us August the 1st and September the 2nd as the results, separated by a dash, which is the dash between the two double quotes in the first argument. Let's look at a further example. Billy's birthday was a few days ago. He was born 5th of January 1993. The result, when we applied the TEXTJOIN formula, where we said equal TEXTJOIN, true, F19 to J19, which are the cells involved here, and the date, of course, as we saw previously, comes out as a serial number. So it says he was born 33/9/74. We want to convert that to January 5, 1993. So what we need to do is to say equal TEXTJOIN, true, and change the text in J19 to the month, the day, and the year. And sure enough, out it comes, much more readable, I'm sure, January 5, 1993. Happy birthday, Billy. That concludes the TEXTJOIN video. I do hope that it has proven beneficial for you, and don't forget to subscribe unless you've already done so. We love likes and comments, of course, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.